Spring is here and demand for outdoor and interactive pet products is taking off. But in a crowded market, saturated basics won't get you far. To win this season, you need viral, high-ticket products that stand out and sell fast. Here are 5 winning pet products you should be selling right now. The first hot product is Pet Owner Snuggle Bed. Don't sleep on this proven winner. It's no longer just a viral social media fad. It has become a highly profitable, evergreen staple. This foldable, washable, orthopedic plush bed is designed for owners to doze off right next to their large dogs. It offers the ultimate cozy experience, which means the perceived value is through the roof, and buyers are more than willing to pay top dollar for it. The second standout product is the Pet Interactive Flywheel. What makes it different from a basic frisbee is its smoother, more stable flight, which makes every fetch session look more exciting on camera. Pet owners love products that turn everyday play into share-worthy moments, and this one does exactly that. Add in a durable, chew-resistant design, and you've got a product that feels more premium, gets attention fast, and has real potential to drive strong engagement for your store. The next product with serious selling potential is the automatic dog ball launcher. For busy dog owners, it solves a real pain point by making playtime more automatic, convenient, and engaging. It's also the kind of product that performs extremely well on social media because it's easy to demonstrate and instantly grabs attention on camera. With 3 adjustable distances and 6 included balls, it offers a more interactive fetch experience while increasing the product's perceived value. And from a dropshipping perspective, that added value gives you room to price confidently while still locking in a strong 47.36% profit margin. The 4-star product is Cat Tree. Cat trees are an evergreen dropshipping goldmine. Because they're bulky, buyers demand doorstep delivery, locking in steady online sales. Towering at 67 inches with plush perches, sisal posts, and a cozy condo, this luxury kitty castle delivers massive perceived value, meaning higher markups and flawless e-commerce reviews for you. The last product that can help you stand out is Tactical Collar in 6 in 1 leash. Boost your AOV instantly with this bundle. It cures the ultimate outdoor nightmare, leash burn and stinky collars. The collar is rust-proof and odor-proof. Paired with the shock-absorbing, waist-worn leash, it delivers a pain-free hike that buyers will gladly pay a premium for. So those are 5 pet products with strong selling potential right now. If you want to check them out, I've put all the product links in the description box below. And if you're looking for more winning products, Doba gives you access to 1 million plus products with 90% US stock to help you grow your dropshipping business faster. You can also unlock the Doba trial for just 99 cents and see how it works for yourself. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next winning product breakdown.